Today's graduating batch of candidate soldier corps, class 522-2017, is comprised of 65 male and 10 female candidate soldiers, different individuals, different personalities, with different principles in life, bound by one common goal, that is to serve the Filipino nation. This batch of soldiers started their military service on 15 December 2017. At that time, they are but innocent Filipino youth, oblivious of the life they have chosen. 4 months have quickly passed, and these young men and women have readily embraced the life of the noble profession of arms. The company commander now directs the platoon leaders to dress their own platoons to ensure that they are aligned and to have appropriate distances from one another.
Nalalalim din niya. Ano na namaya? Hindi matindi.
Ladies and gentlemen, the sequential manual of arms. Right shoulder arm. Left shoulder arm. Fourth arm. Order arm. May we request Colonel Vinluan, sir, to please stand and recognize the silent readers. We are now witnessing the alternate changing of colors. The training these young male and female soldiers went through molded their dreams from a cowardly boyish life to brave and gallant Filipino citizen. This exhibition connotes their ability to adopt the altered and difficult challenges in the trend of time. From the moment they have taken oath to be bound by military orders, they have also committed themselves to the service of the Filipino nation, that is to defend the Republic of the Philippines, safeguard its national security, and assist government agencies in the socio-economic development of the country. Guided by the core values of the Armed Forces of the Philippines, honor, loyalty, valor, duty, and solidarity, our young soldiers have genuinely prepared themselves for the noble calling, which not all individuals could readily take. This only shows that they are truly extraordinary and deserving to wear the uniform that exemplifies respect and heroism in the modern times. Arrowhead. One arrowhead alone can be easily broken, but many arrowhead are indestructible. In order to be effective, every warrior must learn the simple truth that the pain is unbeatable and suffering is optional. SCS, the School for Candidate Soldiers Training and Doctrine Command Philippine Army, was first established in 2010. Since the day it started, it has continuously educated and molded aspiring soldiers, transforming them into exceptional military professionals. Every year, hundreds of candidate soldiers are being trained in this institution, equipping them with essential military knowledge and discipline and preparation for the real military environment. ATR. This demonstration signifies the strong sense of relationship and commitment of this batch of candidate soldiers to each other. A person's undying commitment to serve is a significant quality for having proficient and globally competitive members of the armed forces. Being vigilant and being part of pursuing opportunities for the AFP sustained development and winning possibilities of being a world-class army. That is a source of national pride as the Army Transformation Roadmap aims to produce professional soldiers loved by the people, building proficiency and advancing globally with unity in diversity. No matter what faith we believed in or creed we follow, we still believe in one Creator. The trainees are not only trained to become efficient and responsible citizen soldiers, but also an army that recognizes the power of the Supreme Being, who is always overshadowing us through all our joys and sorrows, laughter and tears. for without him, our efforts will be futile forever. Such meaning of information, behold, a huge cross, symbolizing the presence of the Almighty in our everyday life. Our silent drillers are carrying M16A1 rifle, or the more commonly called Armalite. It is the basic weapon of the Philippine Army soldier because of its proven reliability in worst condition, and is also found to be effective in tropical areas like the Philippines. It weighs about 6.35 pounds without its sling and magazine, and you can just imagine how difficult it is to manipulate it while executing exhibition drills of this kind. Life is not linear, it is a circle, concentric circle that connects. The need of having capable and competent member of the armed forces has become vital. These forces still recognize one principal aim at the center, one thing that the regular troops have in common. This is the best illustrated by means of two concentric circles being formed by the drillers before you. Another arduous exhibition is the planting and passing of rifle, which signifies the rotation of propagated strong character, integrity, and competence academically and tactically from senior military instructors to young novice soldiers. In a military world where time plays a very significant role, every minute and every second counts. Every time delayed could cost a failure of a mission and could even cost a life. Everything is timed and everyone moves in sync. The exhibition drills of our silent drillers emphasize the value of proper timing in the military field. Notice how they move in sync and how calculated their movements are in order to execute the exercises properly. Likewise, in a real military setting, everyone plays a vital role in the attainment of an objective. Everything is timed and every movement is calculated. In the earliest times, the Philippines was colonized by different foreign nations. Filipinos at the time courageously fought for the country's sovereignty, sacrificing thousands of lives for our liberty. Among the different provinces of the country, 8 took the initiative to commence the battle for our freedom from foreign colonization. These provinces include Batangas, Bulacan, Cavite, Laguna, Manila, Nueva Ecija, Pampanga, and Tarlac, which are now symbolized by the 8 rays of the sun in the Philippines national flag. Our silent drillers are now forming an 8-rayed sun, as seen in our national symbol. Like the Filipinos of earlier times, the soldiers of the new generation have trained and equipped themselves with the skills of a warrior that is ready to fight for the nation. They have signified their commitment to surmount the bravery and sacrifices of their roots. Our silent drillers are about to form a musical note, which signifies that this profession is not just about fighting battles and winning wars, but also fun, entertainment, and diverse talents. Ladies and gentlemen, let us all brace ourselves for another passionate yet intense performance of our silent drillers. Let us give them a big round of applause.